1956 Peacock Blue Thunderbird with documentation ordered and coming in. This car's got a professional body off the frame restoration with test miles only. She is a senior Concours Classic T-Bird Club International Concours show winner at the international shows. She has been shown in the toughest of all classes, which is primary all original. She comes with the painted tire ring and the chrome tire ring. So if you're going to show her again in all original Concours d'Elegance and haul her to the show and unload her, then you would put the painted tire ring on her to show in that class. If you want to have her to have more wow effect, put that chrome tire ring back on the car. It's got a previously rebuilt 312 225 horsepower Thunderbird Special V8 with the 4-barrel. It's got the Ford-O-Matic automatic transmission, the Ford's Masterguide power steering, and the Ford's 4-way power seats. She has a Concours Correct 1956 Ford Thunderbird wire wheel covers. She has the late production 56 Burtex trunk mat. She also has Peacock Blue floor mats and with the T-Bird emblem in them. Has a town and country signal seeking radio. Since restoration, this car's odometer has turned 146 miles, mainly test miles. Ford engine dress-up option is with this car. The car has the Accessory C-Clear windshield washer system. She has electronic ignition, eliminating your points and condenser. She has the blue seat belts, the 670R 15 radial white wall tires. She has a restored Colonial white porthole top. She was so new in Los Angeles. She's been owned in low humidity climates. Notice when I'm telling you about cars coming from the Southwest as opposed to the Northeast and Southeast. This car was a Southern California car before she got this superior restoration. Quite outstanding all over. The bottom side of this car is slick and smooth and correctly finished in Peacock Blue without the undercoating. Quite outstanding all over. The senior sticker is on the windshield. She's a quite beautiful 56, but she drives and handles extremely well after she came out of Mentor's restoration shop.